How to build an attractive personality according to science. Do you want to become more attractive? Do you want to develop an attractive personality? It turns out that there are certain personality traits that science has found to make people instantly more attractive. And guess what? You can work on these traits to become more attractive yourself. So, what are these scientifically proven traits of an attractive person? Well, in this video, we are going to show you a list of these traits, along with tips on how to start developing them in your own life. By following these simple 14 tips, you will be well on your way to becoming the most attractive version of yourself. So, watch this video to the end to find out how to build an attractive personality. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. And comment down below, I subscribed, and let us welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. Learn social skills. Did you know that people who aren't good at social skills are actually seen as less attractive? I know this sounds unfair, but it's actually something that science has confirmed. So, how do you build social skills? Well, the first thing you need to do is learn verbal and nonverbal communication. And we mean all of it: body language, facial expressions, and everything in between. The next thing you need to learn how to do is learn how to read other people's moods and respond accordingly. Practice active listening and open communication. Once you are proficient in these skills, you will find that people come to you with open arms and ask your advice on all sorts of topics. Number 2. Create an impressive smile. Having a beautiful smile is a very attractive quality, and science has proven that people who smile more tend to be seen as much more attractive. The good news is that you can actually practice smiling in front of the mirror. It sounds silly, but it's something that pays off when it comes to your confidence level and attractiveness, because smiling instantly makes you look happier and more at ease with yourself. For those who might say, well, what if I don't have shiny teeth or my smile doesn't look good? You can smile without showing your teeth, because a beautiful smile can also be a closed-mouth smile. Just make sure to relax and let your lips and eyes do the work. Number 3. Learn to be calm. Being calm is a great way to build an attractive personality, because it's something that everyone wants in their life. People who are calm and somehow just seem to have it all together carry themselves in a very attractive way. They are the type of people that you can trust because they're always composed, even when under pressure. Learning how to be calm takes practice, but is definitely one of the best ways to build an attractive personality. Number 4. Develop a dressing sense. Dressing well is a very important factor when it comes to leaving a great first impression. However, first impressions should not be the only reason why you should dress well. After all, there is actual science behind dressing well, and it's known to increase your attractiveness level by at least 10%. People who dress well carry themselves with confidence, and even those who don't necessarily have the best of looks can actually become more attractive by wearing clothes that fit their body type and accentuate their good features. Number 5. Confidence is always sexy. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits that people look for in others. People who are confident tend to carry themselves more like leaders, and they also look like they can get what they want out of life. That's why it's very important to learn how to be confident and show it in all aspects of your life. It's a great way to build an attractive personality, because being confident about who you are makes others feel that they can rely on you when under pressure or just having a bad day. Even if you feel insecure, just fake it until you make it and notice how your attractiveness level skyrockets. Number 6. Be humble. There is nothing more attractive than being humble, while also being confident. Being humble allows you to show your true self, and people tend to be more attracted to people who are down to earth and know how to accept a compliment with open arms. Just remember that not everyone wants perfection in their lives. They want someone genuine and true. And when you are humble towards yourself and others, you are showing how grounded and realistic you can be. Number 7. Make others feel good in your company. Only a handful of people can make others feel good in their company. That's why those who know how to build an attractive personality are those that people cherish, love, and even want as part of their lives, no matter how long or short the time may be. Making others feel good makes them come back for more, knowing they are in the presence of someone who sees the best in people and makes you even more attractive. No one wants to be with someone who makes them feel bad about themselves, so try to bring out the best in others, even if you think they don't deserve it. Number 8. Show only your optimistic side. Your optimistic side is the face people want to see. People who are optimistic about life carry themselves with a certain glow that makes others feel hopeful and happy, even when they are surrounded by darkness. Having an optimistic personality is one of the best ways to build an attractive personality because once you start smiling through your pain, you will notice how many people will be drawn to you and will want to protect your positive light. Number 9. Become a good listener. If you want to become instantly attractive, become a good listener. People who are great listeners can get others to open up and share their deepest desires, even if they only just met them minutes ago. That's why listening is an important aspect of building an attractive personality because it allows you to know what people want and need most in life. This trait is so simple, yet many people neglect it because they are so busy thinking about themselves that they never stop listening to others. Number 10. Start taking care of yourself. Science has proven that those who know how to take care of themselves are the people others would like to be around. That's because when you show that you know how to treat yourself right, people will see you as a healthier person and aspire to be like you, even if they don't want the same things. Taking care of yourself is something that many ignore, and they actually think others are attracted to their lazy habits. But if you want to build an attractive personality, you have to start taking care of yourself, both mentally and physically. Number 11. Try to stay happy. For most people, this is a tough one. The media has made us believe that you have to go through many bad experiences in life for it to be called realistic, which is not true at all. When you are happy, others will want to be around you more because your happiness can make even the darkest days become brighter and lighter. For example, if you are having a bad day, don't start to complain about it right away because it will make you ignore all the good things that might be in front of you. We all know that developing this habit is one of the hardest, but when it's done, your whole life will be different and full of positive experiences. Number 12. Volunteer to help others. Science has proven that those who know how to make a difference in the lives of others will be some of the most popular. That's because every person has a deep down desire to do good for others, and those who can show they can help create a sense of comfort and security, even if they barely know them. Volunteering is a great way to build an attractive personality because it reduces the feeling of want and desire for those who don't have much, while also increasing your self-worth. When you know how to make a difference in the lives of others, you will also feel that sense of security, knowing that there are people looking after you, even if they don't know you. Number 13. Set clear boundaries. People who know how to set healthy boundaries are those people who make others feel safe. That's because knowing exactly what you want and need makes it clear for other people to understand your needs as well. Setting a boundary tells others that they can't cross any lines with you or take advantage of you, which builds an attractive personality. Part of developing an attractive personality is knowing how to set healthy boundaries with the people you meet and interact with, because it makes others feel more confident that they can trust that person to not hurt them in any way. Number 14. Stop judging people. Did you know that most people judge other people subconsciously without even thinking about it? That's because when you judge someone, it instantly tells the other person that they are not good enough, which builds an unattractive personality. People who know how to stop judging others are those people who make everyone feel welcome. This is because, by showing this trait, you admit that all people deserve to be accepted, no matter what the other person thinks. So if you know how to stop judging others, you may find yourself in some of the most amazing relationships filled with love and affection, because those who judge others are usually too close-minded to allow anything else into their lives. Conclusion. If you want to build an attractive personality and make people feel at ease around you, start with these 14 tips. Doing so will show others that they can be themselves when they are near you and help them open up in ways that may not have been possible before. If this video has inspired or intrigued you, we would appreciate it if you could share it with your friends or on social media, so we can together make the world a better place by changing ourselves for the better. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel and the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.